Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case this is your very first time watching my videos, feel so much welcome. My name is Grace. Kindly consider subscribing for future videos. Today I will be making this simple chicken and rice dish, so let's get started. So guys, for today's meal I will be needing a few ingredients, which include the chicken breast, which is the main ingredient for this dish, and I'll be using 2 pieces of chicken breast. And then I will be using some mixed bell peppers, a few cloves of garlic, onion, and 2 medium-sized tomatoes. The first step is to just slice everything down, and then I marinated my chicken to sit for a few minutes while I got the rest of the ingredients ready. The spices I used for marination are on the screen. In case you want to follow the same, you can also adjust the seasoning and the spices according to preference. Moving on with the rest of the ingredients, guys, I'm just slicing the tomatoes that I'm going to be blending. I will also be blending them alongside this half of the red bell pepper, and then the other half I will be just dicing it into smaller cubes together with the rest of the bell peppers. To my blend mixture, I will also be adding this 1 onion and 1 can of coconut milk. Before cooking my chicken, guys, I'm starting just by making my rice so that by the time the stew is ready, my rice will also be ready. Over to my chicken now, guys. The first thing I've done is just to oil my cooking pan, and then I have added my chicken, which I let cook for a few minutes before adding 1 seasoning cube, which was the only other seasoning that I added because I already added enough seasoning during the marination. I also added 1 tablespoon of tomato paste to enhance the thickening of my gravy. I then added the blended mixture, which I let cook for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking, I then added the bell peppers and I let this cook for another 2 minutes, and it was ready to serve. Our meal is ready, guys, and now let's plate it. And I just did a bed of rice on the bottom, which I topped with our chicken stew which we made. And guys, as you can see with the look, it's as delicious as it looks. The spices were just right. the flavors were just perfect, and it was a very, very delicious dish. I hope you guys enjoyed making this video with me. If maybe you are feeling motivated to make this meal, let me know how it turns out on the comments. And please don't forget to leave a sweet comment down below on the comment section. Let me know what you think about this meal for today. Thank you so much for keeping me company. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly consider subscribing. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well to be notified every single time I post a new video. Guys, also remember to add some coriander or dhania if you have some. I didn't have some at that time in my house, and so I didn't serve it with it, but it's a very nice addition or a nice topping. It will add some nice fresh flavor to your food. Thank you so much. As always, I truly appreciate if you made it this far to the video. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next episode. Until then, stay safe and God bless you. Bye.